Monsieur Dreyfus. Oh, monsieur, a catastrophe. We've just had a report of a shooting at the Château de la Pierre Blanche.
So?
Monsieur Ballon.
What, Ballon? The millionaire?
Yes.
Oh, that is a catastrophe. Eh?
Oh, no. I mean, it's not so much the shooting that is a catastrophe.
No?
No. You see, when the report came in, there were a few details. Just that someone had been shot and the address. I didn't, until a few moments ago, realize that it was the home of the millionaire Ballon. So I made a terrible mistake.
Who did you assign to the case?
Clouseau.
Oh, my God.
Inspector Clouseau. Good evening, sir. What is your name? My name is Henri Lafarge. Make a note of that. You are the butler? I am the head butler. Head butler. Cross out butler and put down head butler. This is Monsieur Ballon. Monsieur Ballon, it is a great honor. Oh, excuse me. I am Inspector Clouseau of the Sûreté. I must apologize for my appearance. I had a slight accident.
Well, would you like a bathrobe or something?
Oh, no, nothing at all. It's just a little dampness. It will soon go. Monsieur Ballon, you reported a shooting.
No, I didn't. Maurice did.
Maurice?
Yes, he's guarding Maria.
Ah.
I was at the airport at the time the shooting occurred. I just arrived.
Of course. That will not be necessary. I shall have this case cleared up in a few seconds.
Would you like to examine the body?
I would be delighted.
This way, sir.
Ah. You are Maurice?
Yes, monsieur.
Monsieur Ballon said you were guarding someone.
Yes, monsieur.
This pen has been fired recently.
Mm-hmm.
And you are?
Maria Gambrelli.
I am Inspector Clouseau.
How do you do?
See what else we can find. What are you doing?
I'm taking the gun, Inspector.
This is my pistol pen.
I know it's your pen, Inspector.
Get your own pistol pen, please. This is my own personal one. Don't look in here. Look outside. What'd you say?
Nothing, monsieur.
All right, you can go. No idea. Please. You found the body?
Yes, monsieur.
Is it a friend of yours? Have you any idea who killed him?
I've no idea.
She killed him.
What?
That's not true.
She says it's not true.
She is lying.
You watch your tongue.
I heard 4 shots, monsieur.
Ah, you heard 4 shots.
Yes.
You did not see 4. I'm sorry. You did not see these 4 shots.
No, monsieur.
No, well, then you could not possibly know who fired those shots.
The door was locked, monsieur, from the inside.
So what does that prove?
When I broke it open, I found Miguel where you see him now, and Maria with a gun in her hand.
With the gun in the hand.
Still smoking.
Did you have the gun in your hand? And was it still smoking?
I suppose so, but I don't know how it got there. I really don't.
Ridiculous.
I will decide what is ridiculous.
Monsieur, you surely don't believe...
I believe everything. And I believe nothing. I suspect everyone. And I suspect no one. I gather the facts, examine the clues, and before you know it, the case is solved. Oh yes, there is much here that does not meet the eye. That is quite obvious.